Hello, my name is Nik Afiq from class 1A, and today I will be talking about the PCB fabrication process. Protective gears needed during PCB fabrication process. Number 1, lab coat or protective coveralls. Purpose: protect against chemical spills, splashes, and contamination. Safety practice: ensure the lab coat or coveralls are worn over personal clothing to avoid direct contact with chemicals. Use only designated lab coats or coveralls in the PCB fabrication area to prevent cross-contamination. SOP: don protective clothing before entering the PCB fabrication area. Remove and properly dispose of or clean clothing if it becomes contaminated. Maintenance: regularly inspect for wear and tear, launder or replace as needed to maintain cleanliness and effectiveness. Number 2, gloves types: chemical resistant gloves needed for handling chemicals like etching, solution and photoresist. Anti-static gloves for the prevention of electrostatic discharge (ESD) which can damage sensitive electronics components. Safety practice: select gloves appropriate for the chemicals or materials being handled. Number 1, avoid touching your face or other non-protected areas while wearing gloves. SOP: inspect gloves for tears or chemical damage before use. Dispose of gloves properly after use, especially if contaminated with hazardous substances. Maintenance: discard gloves immediately if damaged or contaminated. Store gloves in a clean, dry area to prevent degradation. Number 3, safety glasses or goggles. Purpose: protect eye from chemical splashes, flying debris, and dust. Safety practice: wear safely glasses or goggles at all times during PCB fabrication processes. Ensure they fit securely and provide adequate coverage. SOP: inspect for cracks or damage before use. Clean with appropriate solutions to avoid scratches that could impair visibility. Maintenance: replace damaged or scratched glasses/goggles. Regularly clean and store them properly to maintain clarity. Environmental sustainability in PCB fabrication. Number 1, material handling. Eco-friendly materials use lead-free solders and non-toxic photoresist. Efficient use: optimize PCB design to reduce material waste. Safe storage: properly store and label chemicals to prevent spills. Number 2, waste management. Segregation: separate waste into hazardous, non-hazardous, recyclable, and electronic categories. Recycling and reuse: recycle valuable materials, e.g. copper, and reuse components. Safe disposal: comply with regulation for hazardous waste disposal. Number 3, efficient. Number 3, energy and resource efficiency. Energy efficiency: use energy efficient equipment and renewable energy sources. Water management: recycle, minimize water use in processes. Emission control: ventilation, install system to capture and treat fumes and emissions. Pollution prevention: use less toxic chemicals and emission control technologies. Environmental Quality Act 1974, Schedule Waste Regulation 2005. Number 1, SW 101, spent solvents. Description: use solvents from cleaning and discretion processes. Number 2, SW102, waste containing heavy materials. Description: waste with heavy metals like lead, mercury, or cadmium common in PCB materials. Number 3, SW103, waste sludge. Description: sludge from PCB etching and plating processes. Number 4, SW104, chemical residues. Description: residues from chemical used in PCB fabrication, e.g. etching solutions. Number 5, SW105, use filters and rats. Description: filters and rats contaminated with chemicals or solvent. Key handling requirements: storage, use label appropriate containers, transportation, employ licensed waste carriers, use licensed disposal facilities. And thank you.